today's video I'm playing the book for trivia, and I have quite a lot of blocks, and so yeah, I'm gonna start building, but first I'm gonna build on top of the green block first. So yeah. So I'll just put this down and and I just stand on it and press it. And okay, and then I just delete that. And now I just use the thingy, the giant tower thingy. This one. And I'll place it down right here. And then I put that thing again, the button, and then do it like there. And okay, I'm gonna try if it can work. Oh, yep, and I just build it, so yeah, I'm just gonna like that, and yeah, I'm just gonna place a chair for me to watch, and then I'm gonna surround it. Okay, and yeah, oh my, okay, I'm stuck. I guess I have to delete the chair first. Oh, there we go. Oh my, okay, good. Let me sit on it. Okay, now we're gonna surround it. And yeah, this is how I make the boat. Okay, yep, just cover all my things, all my body parts that I can see. And yeah, I just covered all. I put it on my head sometimes, and then I just cover my face. Then I cover my face. I can put like that and like that, and then right here. And then I'm gonna place other blocks until my face gets truly covered, and it's gonna be a great boat. And yeah. Uh-oh. Gotta place it right here. Using this ice. And yeah, we're gonna cover the other side. I just put everything with all I got, even with chairs and other stuff. So yeah, chairs, everything. Literally everything I have, I just put it and build my boat. I just place the chair and then cover it up because I don't want the boat to be synced, and all I care is about the chair, and hopefully I don't die from it, or I don't oof in the water. So yeah, I'm just continue building my boat real quick. Okay, and then when I'm done, I usually put all the chairs possible here. I don't care what you say, but like, I don't care. Okay, like, okay. I don't care how I build the boat, but it's not good. It's not like cool, but like, I'm just wanting the boat to be perfect and like strong, and hopefully it doesn't oof me. And sometimes I like, you see, it's still 9 pieces, but no, it's actually not 9 pieces. And I got disconnected. So like I'm gonna rejoin. I'm gonna rejoin, and like yeah. Sometimes I disconnect. So like I have to build my boat over and over again. So I just want to launch the boat already. And like yes, that's good enough start. Yeah, we're gonna just like build the boat. Wait, I think I know what to do now. I'm just gonna put everything possible, like the boat that I've already built a few days ago. So like, yeah, just gonna and like yeah, do that. Eek. I'm actually like stuck now. Okay, why can't I move? Dude, I can't move. The chair. Yeah. Okay, the chair there, and then some blocks surrounding it. I don't care if the boat isn't nice, but like all I care is there's good. It's good. It's secure. All I care is the boat has to be secure. I like put all the blocks possible, but first I gotta go in the seat so I can like yeah, just place every single block on top of my head, or like yeah, cover my face, and then I can't jump anymore. And yeah, it's gonna be very secure. If it's not secure, you can I don't know. Wait, I accidentally placed it there. Let me place it right there. Okay, good. And now I'm gonna place it this block, and then this block, and this block, this block, this block, and you're just gonna see me build like a whole pile of trash. I don't care if the boat's not good, but yeah. All I care is the boat has to be secure. Okay. that's so high. And like on the very top, I give like table there and like some chairs. Okay. And like crystal. Okay, and like just to make it really secure. Then see I sit right here. I'm placing the block right now. Right here. I sit there. You see my feet? I sit there. So yeah, and okay, now it's good. I don't have any blocks left, although the chest, I don't really use the chest that much because it might ruin the boat. So yeah, I'm just gonna press some rockets right around. Wait, it's out of bounds. Oh wait. Okay, and like yeah, I'm just gonna like do this button and like gonna put it on top, and then gonna press the button. Dude, the button's not working. I guess I have to launch the boat. Oh my gosh, I got disconnected again. Okay, I'm gonna just end the video here. So that's how you make quite strong boat. You kind of may reach the end, although you might die at the very end. So like yeah, and that's all it. So bye guys.